Adding a debit card to your Huntington bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth addition of your card. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the *com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Select a debit card. In account settings, find the option that says Add Debit Card or Manage Debit Cards. Click on this option to proceed with adding a new card. Step 4. Enter card information. You will be prompted to enter your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Ensure that all information is entered accurately. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your card information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save or Submit button to finalize the addition of your debit card to your account. Now you have successfully added your debit card to your Huntington bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.